Today's training topic is machine learning, and the training was organized by Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited, and I'll be give you some machine learning discussions and some machine learning programs, Python, and what is machine learning, and each and everything. What about that? So each and everything we will share with you. At first, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a field of computer science with the help of which computer system can provide sense to data in match the same way as human beings. And it is a simple word. ML is a type of artificial intelligence. Everyone know about the artificial intelligence is a AI. Like AI is a live example is Sophia is a humanoid robot, and last few months ago, uh, US made a robot like uh, in-hand robot. So this is a based on AI, artificial intelligence. So ML is a part of artificial intelligence. That's why we will say about ML is a type of artificial intelligence that extracts pattern out of raw data by using algorithm or method. The main focus of ML is to allow computer system learn from experience without being explicitly programs, human invitations, computer program, computer vision, then computer making is a each and everything depends on AI. Now today's technology is very fast, so that's why everyone know about the machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science is a very much important part of our life because AI is a part of tool when we going to like health shop or medical shop, when we going to like hospital medical like that time we will show that, and we have to see, we will show that and we have to see it's a ECG machine, an ECG machine, X-ray machine, MRI machines. Some machines is depends on based on AI because artificial intelligence is a power of systems, and artificial intelligence is a human invitation and explicitly program used, and they think human being. Okay, and why need for machine learning? Human being at this moment are the most intelligent and advanced species on earth because they think that evaluate and solve complex problems. Artificial intelligence, when we use artificial intelligence, machine learning, we solve the complex and very much complex problem easily, and each and everything evaluate easily. On the other side, AI is still in its initial stage and have not surpassed human intelligence its many aspects. Then the questions is that why and what is need to make machine learning learn. The most suitable reason is doing to make decision based on data and with efficiency and scale. Each and when I doing any work, we need efficiency. We need based on decisions, based on data. We like each and everyone based on our decisions, based on your own decisions, own opinion. Then when and after that, when we doing the work, that time when everyone we want about efficiency, work efficiency. It is a proper work efficiency. So this is a machine learning things. Machine learning also know about, and machine learning also want efficiency and scale. Literally, organization is investing heavily in newer technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning to get any information from data, perform several real world tasks, and solve problem. We can we can take data driven decisions taken by machines like particular automated process. Each and everything depends on machine learning. That's the data driven decisions. Data driven decisions can be used. Data driven decision can be used instead of using programming logic in the problems that cannot be programmed entirely. uh, the fact is that we can't do without human intelligence, but other aspects is that we will need solve real world problem with efficiency at huge scale. That's why we need machine learning arise. Why? And last is a machine learning introduction. Each and everything is a machine learning introduction to what is the machine learning, why we need machine learning, and when we make it machine learning. This is the information of machine learning. Machine learning, when, why, and when to make machine learning. Machine learning have already discussed. We have already discussed it. The machine learning, the need for the machine learning, and another question is arise that in the uh, what scenario we must make it the machine learning. There can be several circumstances where we need machines to take data-driven decisions with efficiency and at a huge scale. That the following some such a circumstance when making machines learn would be more effectively is a lack of human expertise, dynamic scenario, difficulty in translating expertise into computational task, machine learning uses. Each and everything depends on machine learning. Like there we can various domains which humans have expertise. However, they are unable to translate expertise like into computational tasks. In such a circumstance, we want machine learning. The example can be domain speech recognitions, cognitive tasks, then lie detections. Each and everything depends on machine learning. Is a live example of machine learning, and also live example of artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. Is a Sophia. Is a live example. Machine learning example model, like a machine learning, what is the machine learning model, and which type of model machine learning use. At first machine learning, each and everyone know about that. What is when we create a work, after that that time we participated, like these are tasks, after that we perform, then after that we gain and we achieve the experience. And same thing is the machine learning. Before discuss the machine learning model, we just need understand the following formal decision of ML given by processor by processor. A computer said learn. A computer said that to learn from experience with respect some classes, task, and performance measures. Its performance, task, its T, and measured by P. Improve with experience. Same as I discuss about that and I say that thing. The above definitions, the basically focusing the three parameters. Machine learning focusing the three parameter also main component any learning algorithm mainly, namely first when we do the work at first to perform. We want the task. We want the task and we need the task. After that, we doing the work. There's a performance. It's a our is yours performance. After that, we gain or we achieve the experience something. This is the main thing. In this context, we can simplify the definitions. ML is a field of AI constantly of learning algorithm improving is a some point is improve their performance and existing some tasks over time with experience. This is the main thing. Okay, then machine learning, which purpose we have to use machine learning. So like a application of machine learning. Machine learning uses for emotion analysis, sentiment analysis, then error detections and preventions, like some weather forecasting and weather detections. Each and everyone know about that weather prediction and weather forecastings. Like then emotions analysis. Emotion analysis means like a Alexa. When we listen a song, that time when we sad, just you say about that. You say that Alexa, now I am so sad. You give a song that purpose. So Alexa, that purpose you give a song. So like a example Arijit Singh song. is a live example. This is a emotion analysis, and some everyone know about now today's world. Everyone know about that trading platform. These are stock price predictions or spot stock market analysis or forecasting. Then speech recognition, customer segmentations, object recognition, fraud detection. Is some applications are used for machine learning purpose. And there are four types. Machine learning, there are four types. Like a sorry, there are three types. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement. And at first, we know about that what is supervised learning. Supervised learning can be used is two different types, classification and regressions. Supervised learning or method are mostly commonly used machine learning. This method or learning algorithm take the training data is associated output with the label data and responsive with each sample during the training process. The main object is supervised learning algorithm to learn and associate between input data, sample, and corresponding output. After performing manipulating training data instance. And supervised learning also used, and supervised learning each and every time use label data, and supervised learning also when we use supervised learning algorithm, that time we know about that input and prediction output. And same as the supervised learning, the two types is a classifications and regressions. And some example classifications and when we use supervised learning. Now the main object is we would be approximate mapping functions. So will that when we have new input x, we can easily predict the output variable for the new input data. It is called supervised because the whole process learning can be thought as it is being supervised by a supervisor. Example, supervised machine learning algorithm includes decision tree, random forest, KNN, logistic regression, etc. etc. Supervised learning used for classifications and regression. I say that. And second is a unsupervised learning. What is unsupervised learning? At first we know about that. What is unsupervised learning? As the name of suggests, is the opposite of supervised learning. ML methods or algorithms, which means that unsupervised machine learning algorithm. We do not have any supervisor to provide any sort or guidance. Unsupervised learning are handled in the scenario which do not have the liberty, like is a supervised learning algorithm of having pre-labeled training data and want to extract useful pattern from input data. Got it? And like example of supervised machine learning algorithm includes k-means clustering and k-nearest neighbors. And there are like three types: clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction. So three types of unsupervised learning. And last is reinforcement. Reinforcement is the algorithm. The method is different from previously studies method. Is very rarely used also. In this kind of learning algorithm, there would be agent that we want train over and period the time so that it can interact with a specific environment. The agent will be follow set of strategies interacting with the environment, and then after observing the environment, it will be actions regards the current state depends on the Reinforcement learning is a action regards the current state and the previous state, also the new state. Okay, until you achieve the goal. The following steps of reinforcement. Step 1. First, we need prepare agent with some initial steps of strategies. Second step, then observe environment and its current state. Your initial environment state and your now is when we standing this point, this is the current state. Next, select the optimal policy regards the current state of environment and perform important actions. Now, the agent can be corresponding reward penalty as per accordance with the action taken by previous steps. Now, step 5. Now we can update strategies if it is required so. At least repeated, then last, at least repeated 2 and 5 until agent got learned and adopt the optimal policies. This is a machine learning part of introductions part. Okay, this is a introduction part. Then first, how do you choose import variable working while working on dataset? At first, what is dataset? Everyone know about what is dataset. At first, we know that what is dataset is a like CSV data, XLS data, JSON data is a type of dataset. Machine learning data science, we don't take any type of user input. We just predict train data, text data, and use for regressions, classifications, that type of label data, unlabeled data. So we need and we collect the data. Okay, so that's why we need the data. It is a data set. From import any import the program. After that we predicted the variable. So in this the variable, how to know about the variable and how to predict using bar graph, pie chart, plotting, bar chart, then line chart, histogram. This type of plotting you can use it. Okay, then when we got the data, like we got the data Kaggle. And first, just going to dataset, and if you want any type of data, like you want stock data set. Here is a each and every type of stock data, huge stock data, stock market data set, stock. We want TCS stock data. Yes, Amazon, TCS, Netlify, Reliance, Tata Motor stock datasets is a stock price dataset, like TCS stock price predictions. A TCS stock price prediction datasets. This is a dataset. This is the data, CSV data, TCS1, the CSV data, the TCS stock data, and you can download the data. After that, you can use it. So first, which library and which requirement for use it, and how many requirements and what type of requirement for the machine learning purpose is it. At first, open notepad. We want numpy. We want numpy. No, sorry. At first, we want Python. Each and everyone installed Python in your machines. After that, install each and every library using PEEP model. Like you want start PEEP installed administer library name. This is the main motto. Like first we want numpy, second we want pandas, three we want scale, scalar, four TensorFlow, five SciPy. This is the library. This is the all library we wanted, and I have already installed my systems. Check it out. Like CMD, clip list. Wait for some time, then use it. These are all library and installed my systems like NumPy, pandas, and also one or six matplot. This is the plotting library. Matplot library is a matplotlib. This is the library is a SciPy, scikit-learn, Seaborn, then matplot lib is a plotting library. This is like each and every library you want it. Okay. And another one, Seaborn. Then first, what is NumPy? NumPy is a numerical Python. It is used to calculate uh, variance, covariance, standard deviations, calculations, each and every discrete calculations for using dataset. This type of calculation use it NumPy. What is pandas? Pandas is a top of NumPy library, and it is use it for like CSV data, XLS data purpose. It can use itself, and also last, pandas is a package. It's basically built on top of 9 NumPy array, and pandas is a high performance library in Python that provides comprehensive set of data structures for manipulating on tabular data. There are some three uh, primary data structure exist in pandas. Like one is settings, two data frame, three panel. So first we know about what is series. Series is a 1D array with homogeneous data. Its size of immutable and values of its data are mutable. It's a series. And then what is data frame? Data frame is a 2D data representation which is aligned in a tabular format. Here, size of data values are mutable. This is the data frame in pandas. Then in pandas is another is a pandas are two types, log and ilog. Pandas is log variable return one or more rows from data frame. Row can be selected passing row label to a log variable, and ilog is a pandas used for variable to return one or more rows from a data frame. Row can be selected passing integer index to a log variable. This is a log and ilog. And last one is panel. A panel is represented data in 3D format. Like a 1D format is a series, 2D format is a 2D format is a data frame, and 3D format is a panel. Let's see the example and NumPy, pandas. After that, we loading the data. Then we work how to use machine learning, regressions, logistic regressions, yeah, in classification, each and everything about that. Okay. At first, use pen. First, I open Jupyter Notebook, new. How to use NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Then declare array equal to, it's a variable. Then declare np dot array double 10, 20, 30. Then comma 45 86. Done. Then print array is comma arr. Array done. Then again print array type. Define type function using inside array. Again array type. Then again define number of dimension. Print number of dimensions type, not the type, arr dot ndim. This is a number of dimension. The number of dimension 2 is a 2D array. Number of dimensions 2. Then the shape. Again type print shape of array. Arr dot shap shape. Again print is a 2 and 3 shape, 2 rows, 3 columns. Then size of array, print size of array arr dot size 6. Then again print array stores elements of type. Array sto stores type arr dot t type. Sorry, it's got it's a int32. It's a stores. Then you know about that is define zero, like declares c arr dot zeros zeros comma 3 comma 4. Not define that 3 comma zeros, not like that. Zero comma, about mm, hmm, print zeros, c equal to np dot zeros 3 comma 4 zeros matrix print array initialize all zeros with c. Nothing like that. Creating zeros. Yes, done. Each and every array initialized by 0, 3 rows, 4 columns initialized by 0, and then again if d equal to np dot full. You say each and every is a functions like a size, shape, type is a functions. Then again we use 3 into 3, then 6, then type equal to under the quotation complex, close the braces, np dot full, close the braces, close the braces, then print array type is complex. T. See what is that type complex, nothing use it. T not interested, or colon is meant of instead like a type of t type t type again, no braces in like done. type of complex number. 3 into 3 complex number is a complex. Each and every is a type of complex array. Okay. Then we randomly generate the array r equal to np dot random dot random. First, use the library. Second, the package name. Third, the class names. And use double g comma 3. Is that use it random variable print a random array r, then generate the random array. Then again we use rearrange the array, like arrange the array a equal to p dot arrange a r a n g arrange is a functions in using numpy 0 35. Then print uh, functional array with step of 5. A 0 start end of 30 and step count is 5, like 0 5 10 20, like in pro about that, like no, like uh, about that, like 300 and enter using the array. And we again we repeated use it the 1000 3000 3000 use it repeated 5 times, repeated 5, like step count is 5 5 10 15 20 is the end of 3000s. Then line space. What is the line space? Create a line space. This means space count. L equal to, that means line space np dot line space space 0 5 10 print sequential array with 10 values between uh, between 0 and 5. And 5 comma g comma g, sorry, l basic line space. Then we use it 500 and again and 13,000. Count it. What is it? Then we use reshaping the array. How to reshaping the array? AAR equal to reshaping the array. This means np dot array. We have to define first array 10, 20, 30, comma 10, 20, 30, comma then again 45, 67, 86, comma then again 23, 76, 34. Then print original original array. Original array is AAR. Original array is AAR. Print then dash reshaping reshaping the array is at first define new ARR equal to AAR dot reshape feature between reshape is a G9 and like again it's into the another mod 56 uh, like 3 12 action 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 size of array 2 to 3 print new reshaped array is new ARR new ARR and again print first read like 3 columns sorry 3 rows 4 columns now 4 rows 3 columns 1 2 3 4 4 rows 3 columns got it and how to calculate the max mean mode using array how to calculate the max mean mode using array count the array as print the largest array is AAR dot max using max functions. So largest number is 86 then print again print using row wise maximum element row wise maximum element error dot max access x access equal to 1. Define access parameter the row wise, same column wise. Column wise element mean column wise element, then sum of all element, sum of all element sum. Again, sum of all element here dot sum of all element, then again collective sum along each row. See, collective sum of along each row AAR dot sum access x minus access equal to 1. It's a community. What if you forget comma? 30. I have used comma community. Sorry, using comma. Yes, but then again use discrete mathematics like define the standard deviation. STD is a standard deviation functions. Standard deviation. The standard deviation functions. Then use covariance. Use this matrix only for use this matrix. Sorry, wait, just a minute. And use these functions like covariance. Covariance like use COV. Covariance function is COV. Why? Array This is not fair. Covariance AR dot covariance means COV functions. These are covariance functions. Use it covariance in number is attribute. There was no attribute. Why this is I don't know that. Not like that. Then UOF. Let's see. UOF not use it. COV covariance. OV the covariance function but does not use this. I don't know what's happening. Let's do a next. Then this is all numpy functions. Now we use pandas. Now we show what is pandas. After that, we create a matplotting using data or the normal data. After that, using the data. We'll use pandas. Import numpy as and b import pandas as PD. Again, enter. After that, use data. That is a pandas library. Now is a using pandas library is a series functions. Use it series. So I say about that series. A series is a 1D array with homogeneous data. Its size is a immutable and value of its data and mutable. A series can be created different way like that. I show the example. I give you the examples. The difference way like np dot array using array inside a quotations 10 comma another again inside a quotations 20 another inside a quotation inside a quotations comma inside a quotations 30 then another again then inside a quotation b and another one 40 inside the quotations then is equal to td dot acri es series s is capital then again use include the data call the data using numpy print sorry again print arrays comma data then again print series seri yes series is comma s then print is a array and again the series automatic indexing got it then again another one data 2 is a data 1 again use data 2 np dot array Inside a name, SUMN, Suman, sorry, the single quotation SUMN, Suman, again SU, RAB, Saurav, comma, ERI, ONK, Priyanka, again Sagar, then again so so then use the indexing and use the series is equal to td dot acris series using call variable data to comma indexing. Now we define a indexing, not like 1 2 3. Is it by default indexing 1 2 3 4 5? Is it by default indexing? And I am modified the indexings is a number or names, whatever. Let's see. Side list and then quotations. Uh, like TCS 101, comma Infosys SYS Infosys 105, the end number of indexings. Then again tech tech Mahindra use 101, again indexing Sagar like CTS 109 like 108, and last indexing is a SIPL, that means Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited like 102. Now print the indexing, print the indexing, print, not like that. Sorry, print, print is print indexing name, indexing name, comma is print only s, print only s. TCS Suman Infosys, is it by default indexing? TCS 101, Infosys 104, is it showed up? Tech Mahindra 101 is Priyanka, Tech Mahindra 101 is Priyanka, CTS 108 is Sagar, and SIPL 102 is Sudipto. Is that right? Any doubts regarding this? No, about that. Okay. Now a series is a scalar. Like a series, we have to define series is a scalar. S equal to PD dot series, PD dot series inside a tuple, then inside a list 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Then again indexing, index equal to inside a list and put under the quotations A, again modify the indexing B comma indexing C comma indexing D comma indexing A B C D. Okay, done. Print S Not series. Series is a capital S. No, done. Done. Now we see about data frame. So what is data frame and how to use data frame? And data frame is a 2D and data representation which is aligned in a tabular format. Here is the size of data and mutable alignment. Okay. Now we see about the data frame. So what is data frame? Okay. At first, data equal to side SUMN Suman, comma 101. Again, just take in the name. See 102 Sumi. Again, print 103 SAGR Sagar. Now like that. Data frame for EAM data frame equal to D1, comma columns. At first, COL columns. At first columns equal to define name and ID. Then done. Then print D1 data. Print data frame. FREM. Print data frame. Columns. COLUMNS. Maybe the word syntax. COLUMNS. Data frame. DATA FREAM. Know about that? Why? Why? It's working, but not like that. Why is issue? Hmm, oh, we does not define. Sorry. It does not define. Data frame. FRAME. FRAME does not define. Sorry. Is a data. Again print. Okay. Sorry. Now we have to see about that how to create a matplot. These are matplot functions using matplot library. Import matplotlib. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt dot plot plt.plot, comma 1, comma 4, comma 8, comma 10, comma 15. Then plot a x level is equal to x axis, x axis. Same way, y label to y axis, plot dot show, and plot dot save fig. That means save fig means save the figure. They're not like a save the pictures. Line dot png. This name is save the png. DPI 400. Now show the pictures. Yes, x-axis, y-axis. Now show the pictures. Is a line drawing. Is a only for line drawing. Now to say about that, is it use the uh, sine wave. Now we use the sine wave. X equal to np dot arrange, equal to 0 comma 50 comma 50 into np dot, no sorry, np dot pi is a pi mark comma 0.1. Print x, y equal to np dot sine x, plt dot plot, x comma y, plt dot show. Now again the wave, sine wave. This is the sine wave. This type of pictures plotting use the machine learning algorithm using the data loading, each and everything. This is the sine wave. Now we use the tan wave, like a tan wave. We have to use tan wave in this plot. Uses use only for 10, use only for 10. Let's 0.1. Again uses the tan wave. Now use the cos wave. Use the cos wave, like tan wave. Use the cos wave in this thing. Uses the only for cos. This is the cos wave. Done everything. Now we show about the What is machine learning? Which type of machine learning algorithm we can use for plotting purpose? First, we see about how to load the data, import pandas as pd, load equal to c pd dot read underscore CSV. When we declare the CSV data, when we load the CSV data, that time we used to PD under the pandas library, use the PD dot read CSV, read underscore CSV. When we use the XLS data, use PD dot read underscore XLLS. This type of data. Okay. Now, we this type of Jupyter, when we use Jupyter or Jupyter, that time we uses the path, the CSV data path, we use it. When we use the Anaconda, that time we can't uses the Anaconda Jupyter, we can't uses the any type of path. We just write the name of data dot csv. Okay, first when I like given the data, the write the csv data dot csv does not show it. They given error, print load, they give a error. So they give a error because of we don't give any type of path. Now we give a path is a bank, train data, e drive, e drive, sorry, give the path in dot csv, changes the directory. The now it's loaded. And again we use test data is a train data set, use it test data, it is a test data. Another data we have to see the another data like training, data science, data. Is it like emp data? Say load about the emp data x emp.csv, changes the directory name, changes the directory slash in the load data, got load the data, employee name, emp name, date of birth, city, salary. Now we know about the data is like test data, training data, how to define test data, training data. Okay, import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, then np dot random seed. Seed is a function x equal to np dot random dot normal equal to 3 comma 3 comma 1 comma 100, 3 comma 1 comma 100. Y equal to np dot random dot normal, then 150, 40, 100 divided by x, then train underscore x equal to x होता है लाइक ट्रेन टेस्टिंग डेटा क्या है, ट्रेन डेटा टेस्टिंग डेटा लाइक 50-50 डेटा होता है, 50-50 when we declare 50-50 data हम like we tested the data, 80% data we have to test it. That means is a 80% data is tested and 20% data is a trained data. This is the difference is training data and testing data. Okay, we have defined training data 80 train underscore y, again y 80 y, test underscore x equal to x dot 80 test underscore y equal to y 80 for 80, then my model equal to np dot pie plot, sorry, is a poly 1d, is it np dot polyfit train here train underscore x comma comma train underscore y, then my line equal to np dot linspace s a linspace 0 comma 60 comma 100 plt dot scatter scatter is a scatter plot, then x then and y, then underscore x comma then underscore y, plot dot plot plt dot plot my line comma my model comma my line, inside the my line, then plot dot show. The line number of error divisible by line number 10 is divided by 4. Now take as a polyfit POL NP dot polyfit print X print Y NP dot my model NP dot quality my model line space 60 line space. This number line is error like dispatch missing one regular operational document DG like that. Positional argument polyfit data is polyfit degree dot degree DG degree. The name format is attribute is now degree dot x. Trend theory and trend x, trend x, trend y, scatter, series scatter, the plot is a line show, the one day num body one D, poly one D. This is the polyfit. This is the polyfit. The positional argument requirement. Oh, sorry. Next is I use the regression method. We can use it the regression method. What is regressions and use the regressions using SciPy. Um, so use the data dot shape. Data dot shape like print load dot shape CGP load dot shape 7.1 by import states import states x equal to 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 3 comma 56. So 54 equal to 19 comma. So in slope comma ter intercept comma r comma e comma stdc other comma states st states comma lean regression reg lean reg re double s regression lean reg re double s regressions x comma y. These are linear regressions. Like a regression and classification is a supervised learning method, is a supervised function, is a linear regressions. Now use the functions if myfun myfun x inside return you want to return slope 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 inside a plus intercept inter inter intercept speed equal to from with many 10 comma print speed implemented print speed is x is denoting zero dimensional integer notation and production of argument is a vector digit digit 6 functions. Now use these functions for purpose of x the slope my functions z my model equal to least map using map functions level on x if my phone my model inside a list plot dot scatters scatter x comma y elt dot plot x comma my model model x comma my model plot dot show. These are not uses this program. Then execute. Sorry. States dot same function, same program is not work it. Slope, intercept, are std cat states stats lin il regre xy. My functions quotation return slope into x plus intercept leave my model list inside map my fun plot dot scatter xy plot dot plt import matplot leave dot plot as plt matplot leave matplot import matplot leave dot pyplot as plt. This okay guys, let's see some types of messaging error. Let's see another video. The next video we'll see about that. For that we will discuss about the linear regressions, linear dispersions, scatter, each and everything, and multilinear regression, each and everything we discuss about the next sessions. Thank you.